Time to wake up. I want to sleep for 10 more minutes. I snuggle under the covers. After 10 minutes, Dad gets me out of the bed. Wake up, sleepyhead, he says. I wash and dress. I put on my watch and look at the time. It's time to eat. I always have cereal for breakfast. I pour the cereal and the milk into the bowl. Soon it's time to go. Dad takes me to the bus stop. We don't want to be late. It's cool. My teacher said it's reading time. That's my favorite time. After reading, we have writing and math. At last, it's time for lunch. During recess, I play outside with my best friend. We always play tag and hopscotch. In the afternoon, we have science and music. Then it's almost time to go home. My mom is outside. She came to pick me up. I don't have to take the bus. At home, I do my homework. I always do homework first. Then Mom and I make a cake for Dad's birthday. We make the cake for 1 hour. What a treat. At dinner time, Dad blows out the candles on his cake. I give him the card and the present I made. At 8 o'clock, I take a bath and get ready for bed. Dad reads me a story. Then it's time to sleep. What does the girl in the story do at these times? 7 o'clock, wake up. 7:30, eat breakfast. 8 o'clock, go to school. 9 o'clock, read. 12 o'clock, eat lunch. 3 o'clock, go home. 3:30, go do homework. 5 o'clock, make cake. 6:30, eat dinner. 8 o'clock, take bath. 9 o'clock, go to sleep.